how to add Shopify estimated date. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add Shopify estimated date. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify admin board. Then here you can see this apps option. Just tap onto it and search for sync. Okay, if you don't search for the app right here, if you could not find it up, let me show you from here. The name of the app is sync track. So this one here, you can see sync track order tracking. Just tap onto it and install it up for your Shopify store, and then just install it up. And there you go, you can check out your sync track order track. Just tap onto this site and let me reload it. So there we go, this is the sync track order track options. Wait, let the page reload. Now you can start syncing orders and it will start tracking them. Just tap on to continue. You can add USPS, or if you want you can add them, and then you can just tap on track or continue if you wish to. Then you have to enter the store navigation link, for example your store's link. Let me go and check it out. So let me copy the link here. This is the link. Just copy it up and paste it over to here, and then you have to tap done. Now lastly, you can sync orders from here very easily. Then just tap OK. So you can sync your order very easily. So that was it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There are analytics and other options which you need to upgrade to use them. So that's it. Goodbye.